What are you trying to do?
Jump rope.
Yeah, it's your first time. It's going to take a while. Show me how you're trying. Put it behind you. Flip it over and jump.
That's how I'm keep trying. I'm trying to walk over it.
I know. It's frustrating, huh?
It's not letting me.
Oh.
I keep falling and get tangling.
It's tricky, but remember when you didn't know how to push your legs on the swing?
Yeah.
And pump your legs and you were frustrated, but now you know how, don't you?
Yeah,
so
but,
you'll learn.
But I don't know how to do the jump rope.
Try one more time. Put it behind you. Come over.
Okay, let me try again.
You're trying so hard. Don't give up.
I'll never learn how.
Yeah, you will.